Welcome to our Wellness on Wheels instructional video. In this video, we will walk through the expectations of any type of van once on site and the exact functionalities of Type 2 vans. Both types of vans have a partition to close off the back of the van from the cab to prevent clients or children from climbing into the front. When on site, always set up a cone on each corner of the van to prevent other vehicles from driving or parking too close. Next, set up all necessary signage and marketing materials. To ensure that power is running to the back of the van, the first thing you need to do is turn the master power switch to on. This is found just below the driver's seat. The overhead light switch is found just inside the sliding door. You will then need to turn the internal power switch to either shore if you are using an extension cord to connect to power. The plug-in is found near the driver's door. Or turn the knob to gen to utilize the generator for power. To turn on the generator, hold down the start button until you hear the generator start up. You will notice all green lights on the breaker box. Specifically note that the inverter has a green light next to it. This ensures that all outlets in the back of the van will function properly. Typically, these breaker boxes and control panel will not need to be touched. There are multiple overhead storage cabinets. Pull out on the bottom of the handle and watch as the spring locks out to hold the door open. To close the cabinet, make sure to push the spring inward and gently slam the door shut to ensure it is securely latched. Clients may enter or exit the van through either the back or side sliding door, both of which include a step. You can even get your steps in while you wait for your clients to show. Along with the overhead storage space, there is also storage in the bottom cabinet. Make sure to prepare all your equipment for your client services that day. The air conditioning unit is on the roof of the van. Control the temperature and airflow using the dials and air vents on the ceiling unit. Power must be turned on to the back of the van for the air conditioner to run. The heating unit is found on the floorboard beneath the infant scale. Once power is on to the back of the van, use the dial to turn the heat on and adjust the temperature. An awning is available for shade cover. Hold down the power switch inside the sliding door to extend the awning. Avoid using the awning on a windy day, so you might get lucky to be able to use it once or twice a year in South Dakota. And don't forget, you are working. Notice the hooks on the side wall near the back doors of the van. These can be used for coats or bags and fold up and down. Waiting on a client? Feel free to measure your coworker. Caution your clients when stepping out of the van, as the step is quite narrow. Make sure to utilize the support bar inside of the van for a safe exit. At the end of the day, secure all equipment within the van to avoid damage to equipment when driving. To turn the generator off, hold down the stop button until you hear it shut off. Then turn the switch to off. Be sure to retract the awning at the end of the day by holding down the button on the inside of the sliding door. Once the awning is pulled in and all interior lights turned off, be sure to turn that red master switch to off. Remove all marketing materials and stow away any signage. Pick up all 4 cones and stow securely inside the van. Oops, make sure to put the cones away before closing up shop. See you next time!